What's going on everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can probably tell by the title, I'm going to be testing this, the AutoGlym Engine and Machine cleaner. Now in testing this, I aren't going to be using a jet wash, I aren't going to be using anything that could aid the cleaning process if you like. It does say specifically on here to not use a jet wash, although that's more for, you know, not flooding your engine, and the jet wash might cause too much pressure on like electrical clips and seals and stuff like that and cause issues later down the line, which I try to avoid. Although modern engine bays now and even this engine bay, they are very well sealed, so there shouldn't be an issue. But as per the directions on the back of this bottle, and to give a full and thorough test of this product, I'm just going to be using like a watering can or a hose pipe, something like that. I might get the hose out, I might not bother. But it is just going to be a pure and simple test on this product. I don't want to be using, you know, a jet wash that would aid, for example, the cleaning of the engine bay. Now, it's not the dirtiest of engine bays, but you should definitely see an improvement, you know, before and after, if this is a good product. I've been told that it is. I've been told that it's very gentle of a, you know, it's very gentle of a cleaner for the engine bay, whereas some can be very aggressive. We'll see, time will tell. But I'm going to try it out and I'll give you guys a full review of this product so that you can, you know, look at the results of this particular video and decide whether or not it's something that you'd want to personally buy. So let's crack on with it and I'll show you the engine bay now. So this is the car in question. It's a 2000 reg EM1 Civic, or Civic VTI over here in the UK, Civic SI to you guys in the States. I apologise for the wind, let me just get this bonnet catch up. So there you go, as you can see it's very dirty. There's a load of like road grime and like dust and just all sorts of stuff. Under the bonnet it's really filthy as well. It's definitely going to be a good test for this product, especially on the rocker cover here where there's like oil around. Doesn't look very good in some places. And this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the cleaner and a couple of brushes just to agitate it as per the instructions. But yeah, hopefully we can get this engine bay looking a hell of a lot nicer. So I'm just going to make a start on the rocker cover. And give it a brush. It smells really strong. Already, as you can see, that silver trim there, it looks miles better. The black looks nice and well, we'll wait for it to dry, but it looks nice and clear now. It's probably still got a little bit of product on it. Just looking at it, I'll give it another quick rinse now. Even where the water's run down from the rocker cover, you can see that it's already having quite a good cleaning effect on it. So I'm just going to crack on now. I'm going to spray the lot, agitate it, make sure it doesn't dry as you're agitating it as per the directions on the bottle. But yeah, I'm just going to crack on now. give you a bit of an update, I'm not really 100% happy with it. It's alright, it's good at loosening dirt, but it's not. I can't help but think that a jet wash should have done better, and I'll show you why. It's come out brilliantly on the paintwork around there, even on the air intake, on the rocker cover, everywhere that you can get to really nice and easy. But then when you're dipping your hands into places where there's a lot of ground in dirt, especially on the bulkhead there, just in the middle, it's very hard to get to. I couldn't get my hand in there, whereas all the areas that I could get to with like the brush or with the cloth, I did have to get to it all with a cloth to give it, you know, a nice finish and take the excess dirt away. And a jet wash would have done that for you anyway. The top of the bonnet there, look, all nice and good, apart from the small bit of corrosion. It is a bit dirty there still, actually. But I just can't be bothered. A jet wash, you see, a jet wash should have just plastered the whole bit. It'd have got into all the nooks and crannies where I couldn't get, and I think as a cleaner it's alright, but I do think it needs the help of a jet wash. So yeah, that's my review on the engine and machine cleaner by AutoGlym. I can't really recommend it to be used as per its instructions, you know, to be used with water that doesn't have any pressure. It does say to be used with a hose and to avoid things like using a pressure washer. But I think the only way that you'd be able to get this product working really well would be with a pressure washer. It's very good at breaking down the dirt, and that it just wiped away when I could actually make contact with it, you know, or hit it with the brush or whatever, but it doesn't lift the dirt like some other products do. So if you are in the market for like an engine bay cleaner, I couldn't personally recommend this particular cleaner to be used as it's instructed. I would imagine though that if you used it with a pressure washer, it'd be brilliant because of how well it breaks up the dirt. So if you know anybody who's in the market for, you know, an engine bay cleaner or looking at this particular product, then please share this video with them. I'm going to try and do more reviews like this on the channel, you know, more product reviews, more car cleaning product reviews and things like that, because the Rain-X anti-fog sort of interior windscreen coating that I got and did a review on, that did quite well, and people seemed to like that particular video and wanted a review of it 2, 3, 4 weeks down the line. So, you know, come this winter, I'll probably look at doing that and making sure I do a full thorough review and a revisit of it as well. That I couldn't recommend highly, you know, higher enough, you know, if that's even a phrase, but I couldn't recommend it any more highly. Whereas this product, I think it'd be alright. I think it'd be very good if you were using it in the engine bay with a jet wash. It's just if you can't make contact with it because the product itself doesn't lift the dirt, it's game over. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Again, please share the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. What's going on, everyone? Why can't I talk?